Good day guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create a bootable USB flash drive. So for those of you that doesn't know what a bootable USB flash drive is, it's just basically an ordinary flash drive that you use, let's say for instance when you want to reinstall Windows or like install a new installation of Windows. Let's say for example you had Windows 7 and you want to reinstall an, a new installation of Windows 10. So basically the USB just replaces the disk. That's basically all what it does. So the first step that we are going to do is you can just open your browser and we are going to download software called Rufus. So I will just place the download link for Rufus in my YouTube channel's description. So then you can just click on this Rufus 3.18 link, and then you will see it will be starting to download. After the download is complete, then just run the exe file. And then when it asks you, do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online? Guys, this is completely your choice, but I'm just going to go with no for now. And then there you go guys, so now Rufus is installed. So now guys, now you are going to need something that we call like an ISO image, or an image of the image of the file that you want to add on the flash drive that you want to make bootable. So I'm going to use Ubuntu Linux as an example for this tutorial. So you are just going to search Linux Ubuntu in the search bar, and then you're going to click on the download link. Then you can just scroll down a bit and then you can just click Ubuntu desktop, and then you're just going to wait and you will see that it is sorry guys, you just have to click on this download link over here. And now you will see that it starts to download. Alright guys, so this is going to take a while, but I've already downloaded it, so you can just go and download this ISO file. And then all you gotta do is, guys, then you just open it in your downloads folder, and then you will see it's located right over here. Alright guys, so please just make sure of your location where it was downloaded and where it stores it. Alright guys, so you can close everything. And now guys, please notice that Rufus does not have like a exe file or something on the desktop. So you're going to have to go to your downloads again, and you're going to have to click on Rufus, or you can just drag it to the desktop, and there it is. It's not like an installation file. It's just a direct exe file, so you can just run it. And now guys, so now this now you just have to look carefully what I'm going to explain to you guys. So the device is basically where you wanna create, on what you want to create the bootable file. So I have a flash drive inserted in my laptop, so here's the flash drive. Guys, please just go and make sure to format your flash drive before doing this. Make sure there's nothing important or anything on this flash drive, because everything is going to be wiped off your flash drive. And then you can just wait a few minutes, and then it says format complete. Now you can close everything except for Rufus. Alright guys, so the device is basically where you want to create the bootable file on, so you will see it only gives me one option, and that's my 16 gig flash drive. Alright guys, now it gets to boot selection. Alright guys, so over here you are going to select your boot file that you downloaded for, and in my case it's Ubuntu, Linux Ubuntu. So I'm just going to click open. And now, alright guys, so that part is complete. You can just leave it as it is. And now guys, so this stuff you can just leave it as it is. And yeah guys, so everything is you can just leave everything. Don't worry about all of this stuff over here. Alright guys, so over here with file system, you will see that it has a FAT32 and the NTFS. So it depends on what your laptop or computer is booting, but most of them will be booting on FAT32, so you can just leave it on that. You will also see that it says default, so that's what most of your computers and laptops are using. So then you can just click start, and alright guys, so over here you can just say write in ISO image mode, and it's also recommended, so you can just leave it on that option. You can just click OK. And now it will also just gives you a warning of all your data on the device that will be destroyed. Don't worry about that guys, because the format that we've done already wiped everything, so it will be fine. Just click OK. And now guys, now it will be creating and making your USB a bootable flash drive. Right guys, so this may take a few minutes. So guys, after the process is done, you can just go ahead and like restart your PC, and you can go to your booting your boot menu in your BIOS, and you can just select your flash drive as your first bootable option, and then you will see that it will be directly booting from your flash drive, and it will be, well, in my case it will be installing Linux Ubuntu. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe over there.